Change, like healing, takes time. Veronica Roth. If I am not for myself, who will be for me? But if I am only for myself, what am I? And if not now, when? Hillel. Things change, and friends leave. Life doesn't stop for anybody. Stephen Chbosky. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. Leo Toll. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. Mother Terra's change will not come if we wait for some other person or if we wait for some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Albert Einstein. To change one's life, 1. Start immediately. 2. Do it flamboyantly. No exceptions, William James. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am Chang. I don't need a friend who changes when I change and who nods when I nod. My shadow does that much better. Plutarch. Nothing is so painful to the human mind as a great and sudden change. Mary Shelley. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Lao Tzu. Incredible change happens in your life when you decide to take control of what you do, have power over, instead of craving control over what you don't. Steve Maraboli. I have accepted fear as part of life, specifically the fear of change. I have gone ahead despite the pounding in the heart that says, turn back. Erica Jong. We are not trapped or locked up in these bones. No. We are free to change, and love changes us, and if we can love one another, we can break open the sky. Walter Mosley. Change the way you look at things and the things you look at. Change. Wayne W. Dyer. Some changes look negative on the surface, but you will soon realize that space is being created in your life for something new to emerge. Eckhart Tolle. Certain things, they should stay the way they are. You ought to be able to stick them in one of those big glass cases and just leave them alone. J.D. Salinger. The Catcher in the Rye. Believe something and the universe is on its way to being changed. Because you've changed by believing. Once you've changed, other things start to follow. Isn't that the way it works? Diane Duane. Maturity is when you stop complaining and making excuses and start making changes. Roy T. Bennett. Fashion changes, but style endures. Coco Chanel. You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. Buckminster Fuller. You cannot change what you are, only what you do. Philip Pullman. Those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. George Bernard Shaw. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. Mother Terra's change will not come if we wait for some other person or if we wait for some other time. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the